3:30 in the morning. She looks pretty good. I have to put a controller on and put the batteries in. That's it. There we are. The bike that started it all. Stretch Armstrong. I'm going to take it to No Coast Drift event. Show people in New Mexico what we can do with a toy bike. Take it for a ride and see what happens. All right. It's 3:30. We leave in 14 hours, maybe 15 hours. I might just put a hydraulic fork on her bike. I have everything I need. I can do it real quick. There it is right there. With the brake adapter and everything. But I still have to pack the truck and finish putting this together. So I'll finish putting that together before I decide to put this on. Because it'll take about 30 minutes. Maybe an hour. And it's probably going to take me an hour, hour and a half to make sure I get everything right on this. But that's the update. Vincent, I didn't send them yet. Just as soon as I get back, I'll make you a swing arm and then take those off and send them on their way. Anyways, that's the update. It's almost 4 a.m. I'm going to go to bed.